All right, do you like hot summer days? Do you like third-degree burns from your seatbelt? Do you love cooking eggs on the sidewalk? If you do, then you're gonna need to skip this video because that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about a evaporative cooler. That's right, an evaporative cooler that you can take anywhere. It doesn't actually leak in here. So I don't think, right? This is not gonna leak. It's gonna keep the water contained. You can bring it anywhere if you need to just have that cool down space. Now, it's not gonna replace your residential cooler. It's not gonna replace your RV cooler, but it is gonna add to it. It's gonna keep the ambient temperature down. So if you're rocking a 30 amp RV trailer with one cooler and it gets to the 100 degrees and you can only bring it down to 90, this thing's gonna help you bring it down a lot further because it's gonna help cool that air. So, right here, let me just show you right out of the gate. What you get is a remote, so you can do everything, yep, that's right, from the comfort of your chair. But if you didn't want to be comfortable and you wanted to actually exercise, who does that? You're gonna press the power button right here to turn it on. Then you got a fan mode right here. You got low, medium, and high fan, just like that. And then you can kick it into cooler mode. But I want you to see something right here. This is just my little portable battery. That's what we're running on. It's only pushing on the fan mode 64 watts, which is gonna give us about 4 hours of runtime. Basically, in the heat of the day, you're gonna get 4 hours of running this AC unit. Now, again, it's not an AC, let me rephrase that, it's an evaporative cooler. So there's no compressor, but guess what happens when I turn the cooler on? It goes from 64 up to right around 70. Sometimes we're pulling 70, but I still get 3 hours of usage out of this in the heat of the day. That's gonna help lower those temperatures quite a bit if you're only running one or maybe two ACs in your trailer. You don't have a trailer, this is gonna work in a tent if you have this combination. If you don't have a tent and you're living at home and your home is hot, then you can get this anywhere you wanna cool down. Just cool it, man. You can feel that. I'm already just having this on for a minute and I'm already feeling that it's getting cool in here because it's helping the ACs cool the air. Another cool feature is you can set the timer. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can get up to 6 hours of time before it's gonna turn off. I lied, 7 hours. I didn't think, you can get 7 hours of timer on this before it's gonna kaput. Way more than if you're running on this battery. But then there's the last feature right here. Now this does take a little bit more watts. You see we actually kicked over 70 there with the swing feature on there, but you're still rocking about 3 hours before this guy's gonna shut off. Obviously, if you have full power, use it. But if you're up against it, the max where you're got all your power being cranked, or say you have a power outage, this guy's gonna come in clutch for any of those situations. Let me take you on a tour of what you got on the back side here. So what you got on the back side right here, this is your filter or your dampening area. So as this gets damp, it's pushing that out, right? And it's pushing the cold air out. Now, this is where the cooler comes from. This water gets recycled and it runs. The colder this is, the cooler the air is gonna come out of here. These bottles take about 2 hours to freeze, so if they're frozen right now, they're cold. But if you're rocking it for 2 hours, go ahead and throw them in and for overnight. You're gonna get more than 2 hours of the freeze, but overnight it's gonna take you about 2 hours to get those frozen, rocking and rolling once again. So you just kind of leave them there and then that makes the water just cool down. The cold water here just kind of seeps through here and then the fans kick it up from there and push it out. I know you really wanted a lesson on how this evaporative cooler works, but the fact of the matter is nobody cares how it works, that it does work. And trust me, it's already dropped a few degrees in here just while I've been recording this. So if you want to stay cool this summer long, if you need an area just to cool down, this is gonna be way better than just an oscillating fan. This is gonna be way better than a desk fan, a computer fan, or anything like that. This is going to cool the area down to using those ice packs and water in here. So if you're looking for an evaporative cooler, this is extremely lightweight and easy to clean and takes really low wattage to run.